Hi YouTube, welcome back to my channel. This is Shibabs and today we're gonna see how to format your Huawei Mate 9. Especially if it's a Chinese-based Huawei, the language, everything is in Spanish. And in this case, I have a problem with my cell phone that whenever I dim the lights, you can see it's all flickering and all that. So I'm gonna see if I can fix the problem by formatting it. The only way to be able to use my cell phone is to have the lights at its brightest. I'm gonna see if I can correct this problem by formatting the cell phone. So the first thing that we're gonna do is go to settings, scroll down and go to system. So in system, we're gonna find restoration or formatting. So you have to write your password, your Huawei password to be able to do this. This is done here, so accept. All set. Let's choose language. You choose language if you want English, Spanish. Let's go English. Get started. United States. Terms of use, you accept. Connect to network. We're not going to do that because if you do that, you're going to be prompted for a Huawei ID obligatory. You can't go forward unless you start a new Huawei ID. Skip. So device protection, you have three options, or either you set a fingerprint, set face unlock, or set password. We're going to skip. Enable overnight updates. And that's it. Our system is ready.